So I am on a news article on ksdk.com right now, and you can see that there are lots of ads. There's a weather. As I scroll down, I get more things that pop up, and so that can be really distracting. One thing that you can do, oh, that's really distracting. Woo! One thing that you can do, though, whenever you're using Safari, and you can actually do this on a MacBook as well, but I'm going to show you how to do it on your iPad, is put the article into what's called reader mode. So right now, I've already gone to the article, but what will happen, I'm going to refresh my page, and I want you to notice the top of the URL, it's going to say reader mode available. And on the left of the search bar, there's going to be a little paper icon. So as soon as it refreshes, I'm going to tap that icon. It's going to switch this into reader mode. Okay, so I'm going to refresh, reader view available, tap the little icon, and it takes that entire article and turns it into just a document. Okay, now if I wanted to write on this document or highlight it or something like that, then I just tap on the Shero, and this is where I can copy this, airdrop it, I can do other things. One of the things down below says mark up. So I'm going to mark up, and now I'm using my Apple Pencil, and I can write on this article. I can also use my highlighter to highlight text. And then when it can use two fingers while I've got my pencil going, just scroll, and I can do more highlighting. And then when I'm done, I just tap on my little Shero, and that will let me save it to files. So if I did want to save to files, I can put it somewhere on my iPad and save it. I can also, I'm going to tap on my pen here. When I say done, it'll ask me if I want to save the file there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna say done. I'm just gonna delete the PDF. So I'm back on Safari right now, but it's still in reader mode. And if I tap on the little A that's in my URL search bar, then I can do some things with this text. So I can actually make my font bigger or smaller. And if you just tap on it more or less, that's how you adjust the font. You can actually change like the color of the screen as well. And you can change the font that it shows up in. So if I was going to actually print this on paper, I might want a serif font like Georgia. But if I were going to read it on a screen, I might like the San Francisco font. And then you can also change some settings for that website. You can basically say, hey, anytime I go to this site, I want to use Reader automatically, and it will always switch to that. So that's kind of nice. So that's basically how you do Reader mode in Safari.